Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by positioning your plastic mesh and securing edges so it won't shift, tape corners, or clip to a board. Lay your pattern on top or trace with a water-soluble marker and cut to shape, leaving a border for seams. Thread a blunt tapestry needle with the chosen yarn and knot the end. For floss, use multiple strands to match coverage. Once set, test a small sample square to confirm tension and color placement before stitching the main area. You'll work methodically, bringing the needle up through a hole and forming uniform diagonal stitches. This creates smooth, dense coverage and prevents warping. Once you change colors, secure the tail behind only across 2 or 3 holes to avoid bulky crossover and trimming later. Make sure to count holes often so motifs line up. Mark progress with a removable sticky note. If you need shaping, trim mesh gradually and reinforce cut edges with whip stitching to keep structure symmetrical and neat. You finish by anchoring every loose end. Thread tails under existing stitches for 3 to 5 holes and trim close so nothing unravels. Once stitched, flatten the piece and block it. For synthetic mesh, use a low-heat steam from a distance and press through a cloth to avoid distortion. If a section gaps or threads pull out, overlay a matching patch of mesh and stitch through both layers, or reweave the missing area with identical stitch direction. If color bleed occurs, test mild soap and cold, rinse immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.